right here is the Utah state flag. So you start with this dark piece of paper, and then the seal, the Great Seal of the state of Utah, just like the one that you put on your paper yesterday. See how it's on the dark blue? Goes right in the middle. And then you'll notice that it needs coloring, so you can look at your Great Seal that you did yesterday. And what I notice is that it's dark blue right back behind here, so you can color this all blue behind the eagle. Let's see, oh, and it's gold. That circle is gold. You can put that gold circle on around the outside. Let's see, I don't know if I have a gold. Oh, there's one. You can color gold all the way around. I like that gold circle around the outside. And then you want to finish in the blue. That would be just the basic, and then if you wanted to go and look at all of the other colors on the state seal and fill in those too, could make your flag look really awesome. So you could put in the red stripes, you could color the beehive brown and the eagle brown. There's some more gold arrows. These get left white, and the sago lilies on the side get left white. So that is your Utah flag. And I didn't color all of it yet, but you can do yours by looking at the Great Seal that we put on your state of Utah last time.